Alright guys, we've arrived here in Geneva. First day of the auto show. We're starting off with a roast beef sandwich and a Sprite. This cost me $16 US. There we go.
$15 baguette right here.
Oh my goodness. Now
$15.
Well guys, we are here in Geneva, 5,600 miles later for the 2018 Geneva International Motor Show. But we're gonna go around the entire show today looking for the weirdest and the ugliest cars of the entire show. So we're gonna do a little something different. So I'm gonna do kind of like a Doug score. I'm gonna call it the F-spot score. We're gonna kind of like rank cars based on how I like them. It's gonna be like a yay or nay, maybe like a 1 out of 10. I'm not really sure yet. Fortunately for us, there's no 4-cylinder F-type lurking around here. Just this pretty grim-looking SVR. Not a really nice spec. It's not even in flex mode. Jeez, man. Now, check out the graphics right here. The 575 graphics right here. Basically, what they're trying to do is replicate the Project 7 graphics on the SVR. And guess what? Thumbs down, baby. Just like that. My own car. I have an SVR, guys. That's right. I'm not feeling this this whole decal thing here. I mean, look, it's got the 575 on the side skirt. It's got the carbon ceramics, which you probably don't need. It's not even. Oh man, they didn't even put it in a flex mode here. What's going on, Jag? I'm gonna give this a big thumbs down. I can't even pronounce this. What's called Bugatti stand and. Take a closer look here. I'm not quite sure what to make of this either. I'm gonna have to put this in the one of the worst cars category. What is going on with this car? I think that's not even forged carbon. It's just dirty. Look at it, it's just dirty. Oh man, what is going on here? It's like a kid car. It's dirty. The front splitter, I thought it's forged carbon, but it's just dirt. Look, it's dirty.
That fender looks like it's been bondoed or something.
Oh my goodness, you're right.
Look at the panels.
The gap. This is not in any specific numerical order. I'm just showing you as we walk around the show, but this is a top contender, guys. Top contender. Yikes. And look at these guys. Got all the gear. They got microphones. They got whole filming crews. I'm just like a poverty YouTuber running amok, just talking nonsense here at the Geneva Motor Show. But unfortunately, I'm gonna have to give the Lamborghini stand a thumbs down. I was expecting the Terzo Milano concept, but we just got the Performante Spider. Now, nothing against this car. It's a great looking car. Very good spec, but I guess they didn't want to take the attention away from the brand new unveiling with the crazy concept car. So I sort of understand the decision, but also quite disappointed. So we're just left with a bunch of Lamborghini Urises and what have you. So on to the next stand. Of course, we're here at the Hennessy stand. I'm gonna have to give this the nod of disapproval, unfortunately. I thought this was a production model, but it's not. All the windows are tinted out. There's probably no interior. It's not a functioning production car. And they're claiming big numbers, 300 miles an hour. I don't know. I'm not feeling it. I'm gonna have to say nay on this, guys. I'm so sorry. We got the new G63 and it looks the same. Moving on. Of course, we're at the Mercedes stand. There is no Project 1 to be seen. Apparently, it's just too ugly to make an appearance here in Geneva. So we're gonna keep moving along, guys. Keep on trucking. That's right, James. We're gonna keep on trucking. Whoa! Definitely reached the WTF section of the Geneva Motor Show. I love these guys. Subaru. I think I'm pronouncing that incorrectly, but take a gander. Take a look at this right here, guys. I don't know if I'm allowed to be on the stage. I'm just gonna roll with it. What is this? They got the spare wheel on the side of the car. The 4x4 plus 2. Oops, sorry, we're in his way. Here it is, the Senna. I'm gonna polarize that. Oh, doesn't really do much. It's still ugly. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not feeling it. Of course, we got the GT-R version right over there. I don't know. What do you guys think? You know, I actually do know. It's still ugly. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not feeling. At least the spec is slightly better. The wing placement is still very bizarre. But the rear diffuser on the GT-R variant, quite interesting to say the least. This is slightly more forgivable because it's a race car, so I can understand the aerodynamics and the design, and it's got to be more extreme. But the road variant over there, nope. not feeling it. I'm gonna give it 2 thumbs down. I'm sorry, guys. I don't care what color you spec this in. It is not a good looking car. Now that I've seen it in person, I can verify that. So this is just my own opinion. Don't take it personally. Don't get triggered or get triggered. I don't really care. But honestly, side profile of this thing, ooh, the bubble canopy, it's quite round as well. And yeah. We've finally reached the low section of the Geneva Motor Show. We are at the Mansory stand. We got a forged carbon Veyron. Check out the interior, baby. Oh, yes. Look at the logo. It's emblazoned with jewels. Definite overkill here, guys. Let's see, this opens up. Oh, my goodness. The Diamond Edition 1 of 1. This thing is wild. Obviously not my cup of tea, but holy crap, there it is, the Diamond Edition. Even the engine bay, check that out. No way. They've really gone overboard with this car. And the one and only bedazzled Bugatti logo. Oh, the Mansory exhaust tips right there. Nice little touch. Nice little touch indeed. The Diamond Edition 1 of 1, baby. Here at the Mansory stand here, guys. There's some pretty foul activity going on here with the forged carbon trend that's happening in all their cars. Definitely not feeling it. Look at the 4 exhaust pipes on the 720S. We've got the DB11 here. Nice color, forged carbon, not so much. Ooh, look at the... yes, check that out. All right. Let's take a look at the interior. Reminds me of that of a Valkyrie. Now, I don't know about you. I do like crazy modified cars, but this might be a tad too much. Side skirts all carbon fiber. My goodness, guys, this is overkill to the max. We got a pretty bad trend going here with the forged carbon. I think this is overkill on the Mansory Panamera. Ooh, the wheels. Not feeling them whatsoever. I am not on deck with this, but I'm on deck with this beautiful decked out chair here, guys. Carbon fiber. Oh my god, yes. Now that's pretty funny. I like the chair. I don't like this car. This one, ooh, more forged carbon on the side skirts there. This is also a no-go for the F-spot score. Got whole 2 golf clubs in this sucker. And it's got a massive iPad. Ooh, you can put your golf balls there. Yes! This is going to rank pretty high in my books, guys. This is going on the best of compilation at the Geneva Motor Show. Oh yeah, you could definitely put all your golf balls there. All 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Hell yeah, it's got carbon fiber all over the place. Now we're rolling. Holy Toledo, look at the Stallone, the A12 Superfast Stallone. Look at this wing. It's got little bits of red bits in the forged carbon there. This is actually pretty cool, minus the rear with the forged carbon. Not really feeling it here, guys. Now we got this Mansory Rolls Royce here in a pretty, I don't know what color this is. The interior, oh my goodness, the camera's not really picking up how yellow this really is. It's kind of filtered by the lights above, but oh dude, the interior is the Chiron Sport here. Apparently it's got a louder exhaust. It's a little bit lighter, 18 kilograms lighter. I don't really know what the point of this car is, honestly, but I'm more disappointed by the fact that Bugatti never responded to Koenigsegg's top speed record. So that's a thumbs down for me, guys. The HP Barchetta here. Now, the only problem with this car is not only is it pretty crazy, but the problem is it starts at 10 million euros. It's gonna be like a bidding war. So I don't know who the owners are going to be bidding against, but that is a problem. So I'm gonna give this a thumbs down, unfortunately, guys. Dude, check out what we just found here. World's first flying production car. It's a gyrocopter, and they're playing 007 music as their advertisement or their promo on the big screen there. But apparently this is 400,000 euros and includes the license. So there you guys have it. It's got 2 engines, so apparently if both fail, you're able to glide down with an hour's worth of airtime before you kind of just settle down your car if both engines fail. Check out the interior here. Hold on, wait for it, guys. Wait, just wait. Look how many buttons this thing has. You need a legit pilot's license to operate this thing. So currently here at the Zenvo stand, check out this dude's shirt. It looks like a fidget spinner. Am I not right? Oh, there we go. Here we go. Look at that wing pivoting. I guess that's one of the main features of the Zenvo Rebellion. You guys know how I feel about these car shows. They're all the same. Everyone's getting the same coverage, so we kind of have to do something to stand out a little bit. So, well, hopefully the next few days we'll get some pretty cool coverage of the Apollo IE that's coming out. Maybe do some good old-fashioned car spawning in Geneva. What better way to end it with a bunch of selfies next to the Huracan Performante Spider. Oh yeah, but everything here are clearly my own opinions. You guys know my philosophy on cars. Each car's got to look sharp. Otherwise, the track performance, the specs, all that doesn't matter if the car does not look good. That being said, this is it for the best and the worst cars of this particular show. And I'm going to end it with this shot. All right.